Well, good morning guys and welcome to the show. Today we're going to talk to you about the new Pioneer, how to do the brake bypass. These just came out, they're hitting the markets, people have them in their cars, and they're finding out that the old technique didn't work. Pioneer just pushed an update which solves all our problems. However, it is totally different from anything we've ever seen before. This will work on all the units. It doesn't matter which one you have. This just so happens to be the DMH W4660 NEX. If you have a 8660, a 7660, whichever one you have, if it has that GPS antenna, it requires that speed pulse wire, it'll work. Well, let's get to it. The first thing you want to do is head over to pioneerelectronics.com. In the top right hand corner here, you'll see a search tab. Type in your new model number. Once there, you'll see your radio, click on it. It'll take you to the page where the general description of your radio is. What you want is this section right here where it says downloads. Click it. The bottom of the page, you'll see what the current firmware is. In this case, it is 1.13. If your radio already has this on it, there's no need to do this update. However, if it doesn't, you have to do this update. Click on the firmware update instructions to get the how-to this is going to happen. It'll walk you through how to do the update, and then click here where it says download, and then click over here on the right hand side, the download icon. Make sure you're using a thumb drive that has nothing else on it and it's formatted to FAT32. The other thing too is if you have one of these radios, you can do it through the Pioneer app. You don't have to do it like this. However you decide to do it, you have to do it. To do this update, you're going to need a stopwatch because this is going to be timed. Hit the source selection here, scroll down to source off. When the source is off, tap the gear, wrench, scroll down to where it says demo off if demo is on. It has to be in demo off mode, otherwise it could go into demo while you're doing this and you'll have to start over. On this page, you're going to touch in two places and you have to do it according to the stopwatch. Bottom corner of the screen, you're going to hold it for 10 seconds. When your stopwatch says 10 seconds, you're going to switch to over here next to the Bluetooth, not over the Bluetooth, next to Bluetooth. You're going to hold that for 10 seconds. After this elapsed 10 seconds, right here in the middle of the screen, it'll come and say set on. So you might want to have a friend to work the stopwatch for you, because it is very time sensitive. If you do it for 12 seconds, it doesn't work. For that, we have Fernando. Ready, set, go. And there you go. As you can see, when that hits 10, move over to this side. If you don't do that, it might take you once or twice. Don't feel bad. This one actually took me 3 times to get it right this time. If you screw it up, turn off the ignition, turn the ignition back on, start over. I'd like to give Matt at Micro Bypass a big shout out for taking the time to figure this out. It wasn't us, it was him. He just, he doesn't like the camera. And with that, thank you so much for watching as always, Fernando.
On to the next one, guys.
You guys have a great night as always. We'll see you later next time.
Bye.